Hello all, it's me Anu. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to compare the fractions. So there are three cases. So first case is comparing like fractions, and next comparing unlike fractions, and last comparing mixed fraction. Okay, so first comparing like fractions. So let's consider like fractions. Okay, so for example 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. So comparing means we have to find which is greater and which is smaller. Okay. So to compare like fraction, so just look at the numerator. Okay. And the fraction with greatest numerator will be greater. Okay. So you just look at the numerator. Okay. So here 5 is greater than 3, right? So 5 by 2 will be greater. Got it? So to compare like fraction, you just look at the numerator. Okay, very easy. Okay, next one more case. So if like fraction means here the denominator is same, right? So if denominator is same, just look at the numerator and the fraction with the greatest numerator will be greater. Okay, so next one more case I will show you. So for example, 3 by 2 and 5, sorry, not 5, 3 by 7. Okay. So, and in this case, you can see here the numerator are same, right? Numerators are same. So, in this case, you just look at the denominator and the fraction with lowest denominator will be greater. Okay, so just opposite to this. Okay, if denominator is same, you just look at the numerator and the fraction with the greatest numerator will be greater. And if numerator is same, you just look at the denominator and fraction with lowest denominator will be greater. Okay, so in this case, 3 by 2 is greater than 3 by 7. Got it? Okay. So next case, how to compare unlike fraction. For example, we can consider 2 by 4 and 3 by 5. Okay, so these are unlike fractions. So how to compare this fraction? So for this we have to make the denominator same. Okay, so that means we have to convert it into like fractions. Okay, so we know that how to compare a unlike fraction to like fractions, right? So for that you just find out the LCM of the denominator. So for converting an unlike fraction to like fraction, you just find out the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4 and 5. So how to find LCM? So we can choose 2 here and 2 2s are 4, and we can take this 5 down, and again we can choose 2, then 1 5, and again we can choose 5 and 1 1, right? So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20, right? So please watch my previous videos, then you can see how to find the LCM and how to convert an unlike fraction to like fraction. So please watch my previous videos. Okay, so what was our question? 2 by 4 and 3 by 5, right? And we got the LCM 20. So we have to make this fraction to like fractions, right? So 2 by 4 equal to, our LCM is 20, right? We know that 5 4s are 20. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5. Okay, so what will be the fraction? Which is 10 by 20, right? Next, similarly, we have to convert 3 by 5 to like fraction. So we know that 5 4s are 20, right? So we will multiply numerator and denominator with the 4, right? So which is equal to 12 by 20. So instead of 2 by 4, we got the like fraction 10 by 20, and instead of 3 by 5, we got the like fraction 12 by 20, right? So now it's very easy to compare, right? So which is greater? How to compare the like fraction? Just look at the numerator and the fraction with the greatest numerator will be greater, right? So in this case, this 12 by 20 is greater. That means 3 by 5 is greater. Okay. So 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 4. Okay, got it? So next, how to compare mixed fraction? For example, we can see 3 1 by 2 and 3 2 by 4. Okay, in this case, so first you just look at the whole number part. But in this case, the whole number part is same, right? If whole number part is not same, the fraction with the greatest whole number part will be greater. Got it? So the fraction with the greatest whole number part will be greater. So, but in this case, the whole number part is same, right? In that case, you have to consider this fractional part. Here it is 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. So these are unlike fractions, right? So we have to convert it into like fractions. So for that, we have to find out the LCM. So to find LCM, we can choose 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again, we can choose 2. So 1 1. Okay, so what will be the LCM? 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, right? So we got the LCM 4. So next we are going to make it like fraction. So 1 by 2, we know that 2 into 2 is 4, right? So we have to make the denominator 4 because our LCM is 4, right? So 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 by 4. Okay, and the next one is 2 by 4, right? So we don't have to change the denominator because here it's already 4, right? So it will be 2 by 4 itself. And what about these fractions? Actually, these fractions are equal, right? So we can put an equal sign, right? So these fractions are equal. So you can follow the same method to compare the mixed fractions, okay? So that's all. Okay, so please revise these topics and please do some more examples with the same method. Then you will click. Okay. Okay, so you can try any examples and you can use the same method. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me through comment box. Okay. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.